1 ice cube a day for flawless glowing skin. Did you know that one simple ice cube could completely transform your skin? If you struggle with puffy eyes, acne, or dull skin, this natural beauty hack is about to be your new best friend. Stay tuned, because today, I'm revealing the powerful ice cube facial that celebrities swear by. Problem and why it works. Before we dive into the recipe, let's talk about why this works. Your skin goes through a lot. Pollution, stress, lack of sleep, and even bad diet choices can cause breakouts, wrinkles, and puffiness. But guess what? Cold therapy is a game changer for skin health. Here's what happens when you use an ice cube on your face. Reduces puffiness and tightens pores. Boosts blood circulation for a natural glow. Fights acne-causing bacteria and soothes redness. Enhances skin elasticity and slows aging. Now, let's level up this ice cube facial with some powerful ingredients. Instead of plain water, we're using a special mix that fights acne, brightens skin, and hydrates deeply. Here's what you need. Green tea, a natural antioxidant that reduces inflammation and prevents breakouts. Raw honey, a skin hydrator and bacteria fighter that leaves your skin soft and smooth. Lemon juice, packed with vitamin C to fade dark spots and brighten skin tone. Making these ice cubes is super easy. Follow these steps. 1. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. 2. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey and a few drops of lemon juice. 3. Pour the mixture into an ice cube tray and freeze for a few hours. 4. Your magic ice cubes are ready. Now let's talk about how to use these ice cubes for maximum benefits. Step 1. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser. Step 2. Take an ice cube and wrap it in a soft cloth or use it directly. Step 3. Rub it on your face in circular motions, focusing on puffy or acne-prone areas. Step 4. Let the ingredients absorb, then follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Pro tip: use this 3-4 times a week for amazing results. And remember, consistency is key. Pair this routine with hydration, good sleep, and a healthy diet for the best glow-up ever. Like this video if you found this helpful. Share it with a friend who needs a skincare boost. Subscribe to Healthy Secrets for more natural beauty hacks.